राम राम हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे।
राम राम हरे हरे,
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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे।
राम 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 हरे हरे,
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे।
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 राम 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 हरे हरे,
कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे।
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 हरे राम 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 हरे हरे,
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे।
तुम मम साहू कार अहो हरि,
तुम मम साहुकार अहो हरि।
अहो हरि,
अहो हरि।
लाडली लाल की, श्रीमद् सद्गुरु सरकार की। प्रथमं सद्गुरुं वन्दे श्रीकृष्णं तदनन्तरं गुरु पापात्मना त्राता श्रीकृष्णस्त्वमलात्मना सदाराधिकानां जिह्वाग्रतस्यात् सधाराधिकारूपमक्ष्णग्रास्ताम् श्रुतौ राधिका कीर्तिरन्तः स्वभावे गुणाराधिकाया श्रियायेतधीः वन्दे वृन्दावनानन्दा राधिकां परमेश्वरी गोपिकां परमां शुद्धां लादिनीं शक्तिरूपिणी नमः कमलना भाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्घं देवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले रासेश्वरी राधा रानी की। Most worshipable, most divine, beloved devotees of the Supreme Lord. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you. Again, coming from our divine sadhana shivir here at Radha Madhav Dham, divine abode of Shri Radha Krishna. Today is Sunday, so around midday we have this lecture. Again today I have chosen to do Pad Vyakhya, explanation of divine poetry written by the greatest saint Jagadguru Tam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu. This pad is chosen from Prem Ras Madira Siddhant Madhuri. If you're outside and you want to follow, pad number 97, Siddhant Madhuri. If you have your books, you can check also. It's a very beautiful pad. Talks about Radharani, which was very, very dear to all of us. We'll hear a little bit today about Radharani. प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी
प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी
श्री राधे रानी श्री
राधे रानी
ओ प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी
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 हो प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी
प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी
ओ प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी
प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी
श्री राधे रानी प्रेम तत्व की सार Shri Radha Rani is the essence, Sar Tattva Bhut, the essence of the divine thing called Prem, divine love. What does it mean? We have to understand a little bit about Shri Krishna. To understand Radha Rani is impossible. But if we understand a little bit about Shri Krishna, then we'll understand what is meant by Prema Tattva Ki Sar, the essence of divine love. I told you before, Shri Krishna has uncountable powers, Ananta Shaktiya. His name is Anant. Anantaschatma Vishwarupo Hyakarta Ved. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Ved. Anantanam Rupai Ved. So Shri Krishna is called Anant. The word Anant means infinite, uncountable. Out of the uncountable powers, three are most important. Krishner Ananta Shakti Tate Tin Pradhan Chit Shakti Maya Shakti Jeev Shakti Nam Antaranga Bahiranga Tatastha Kahi Jare Antaranga Shwarupa Shakti Shwabara Upare Chaitanya Charitamrita. The three most important powers are Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti and Maya Shakti. Chit Shakti is also called Swarupa Shakti or Antaranga Shakti, the most personal, intimate power of Shri Krishna. Jeev Shakti is also called Tatastha Shakti or marginal power, as although it is a fraction of Shri Krishna, it's also under the control of Maya. And Maya Shakti is called Bahiranga Shakti, external power, external potency. This is also stated in Vishnu Puran. Vishnu Shakti para prokta kshetagya kya tatha para avidya karma sangyanya titiya shakti ruchyate. Vishnu Puran. Out of these three main powers, remember Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti, Maya Shakti, the Chit Shakti or Swarup Shakti is the most personal, intimate power of Shri Krishna. This Swarup Shakti again is divided into three categories. Hladani, Sandhani, Samvit. Hladani, Sandhani, Samvit, Tvayeka, Sarva Sanshaye, Hladata Pakari Mishak, Tvaino Guna Varjite, Vishnu Puran. We all know that Shri Krishna has three aspects. Sat, Chit, Anand. So Shri Krishna is also called Sachidanand. So the Sat aspect of Shri Krishna, this Swarup Shakti of Shri Krishna in the Sat aspect is called Sandhini. The Swarup Shakti of Shri Krishna in the Chit aspect is called Samvit. And the Swarup Shakti of Shri Krishna in the Anand aspect is called Hladini. Sat Chit Anandamay Krishnera Swarup Ateva Swarup Shakti Hai Tinrup Anandanshe Hladini Sandanshe Sambit Chidanshe Sandanshe Sandhani Chidanshe Sambit Jare Jnana Kaurimani. Chaitanya Charitamrita. It is this Hladini Shakti, this bliss potency. Hladini is the bliss potency of Shri Krishna, which keeps him infinitely blissful at all times. Imagine in a home, many of your parents, you have 2 children, 3 children, 4, 5 for the most. And so much tension. One child is tension. And Shri Krishna has uncountable children in the uncountable solar system, and all bad. Sab avara hai. And no tension. Because of this Hladini Shakti, this Hladini, this bliss potency. As I said, he has 3 aspects, Sat, Chit, Anand. Sat represents supreme existence. Chit represents supreme knowledge. Anand represents supreme bliss. Sat merges into Chit. So Chit contains existence as well as knowledge. And Chit merges into Anand. So Anand contains all 3 of existence, knowledge as well as bliss. So the Anand aspect of Shri Krishna is the highest. This is why Shri Krishna is called at many places by the name Anand only. Anando Brahmeti Vijanat. Taittiriya Upanishad chapter 3 verse 6. In the same way, the Hladini Shakti, the Hladini aspect of Swarup Shakti is the highest aspect. Furthermore, Hladini Shar Ansha Tar Prema Nam. Chaitanya Charitamrita. The essence, the highest point of this Hladini Shakti is called Prem, divine love. And the highest point, the essence of this Prem, this divine love, is called Mahabhav, which is Radharani. No, it's not so easy to understand, very briefly. But as much as we can understand, we'll benefit. So this is why it's been said here, Radharani, oh, Prema Tattva Sar. She is the essence of that entity called Prem, divine love. We can keep on going on for years and years explaining and still will not finish. Let's briefly for now. Ab Nigmagam Agama Sugam Ati. Nigmagam means Vedas, Shruti. This Radha Tattva, the entity called Radha, is not understood or known even by Vedas. ब्रह्मवादिनो वदन्ति कस्माद् राधिकामुपासते आदित्योऽभ्यद्रवत्. Atharvavedi Radhika Tapani Upanishad. It came in the mind of some Brahma Jnani saints that leaving aside all the divine Shakti, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, etc., why should we worship only Radharani? As soon as this question came in their mind, and many people have this question, many people, a huge light appeared, एक पुंज, प्रकाश का पुंज, a huge light appeared in the sky. This light was the Vedas itself, and that light started speaking. Shrutaya uchuhu sarvani radhikaya devatani sarvani bhutani radhikaya stam namamah devatayatanani kampante radhaya hasanti nityanti cha sarvani radha daivatani nayam puranani varanti samyak tam radhikam devadhatim namamah jagat bhartur vishwa sammohanasya Shri Krishnasya pranatodhikamapi brindaranye shveshta devim cha nityam tam radhikam vanadhatim namamah Yasya renum padayor vishwabharta yasya anke bilunthan Krishna devo golokakhyam neva sasma dhamapadam sansha kamala shailaputri tam radhikam shakti dhatim namamah. Atharvavedi Radhika Tapani Upanishad. The Vedas are speaking. The Vedas says, all the divine powers of all the Devis and all the Devatas emanate from Radharani alone. Therefore, we the Vedas, we also worship Radharani. All the Mahashaktis, Mahalakshmi, Durga, Saraswati, tremble with fear. Kampante, kampte. They tremble with fear in front of Radharani. Shri Krishna himself fearfully tries to keep Radharani happy all the time. We prostrate to that entity called Radha, we the Vedas. That Radha Tattva, whom we the Vedas, Sankhya, Yoga, etc., cannot know, whose beginning or end we cannot understand, we do prostrations to her. She who is supremely worshipable, the life, the very life of the husband of the entire universe, the son of Nanda, Shri Krishna. She is supremely worshipable by him, and she makes the surrendered souls fearless. To that Radha Tattva we do prostrations. The utmost limit of love, Sachidananda Brahm Shri Krishna, puts her foot dust, the foot dust of Radharani, on his forehead during the Ras Leela. And because of the effects of her love, forgets his divine murali, divine lakuti, divine stick, and all other divine ornaments, up to the point that he sells himself to Radharani. To that Radharani we pray prostrations. Shri Krishna, Bhagavan Shri Krishna, lying on a bed in the form of the body of Radharani, forgets his own blissful self and his own divine abode, Golok Dham. To that Radharani, that Maha Shakti, whose fractional Shaktis or Mahashaktis are Mahalakshmi, Durga, Saraswati, etc., we do prostrations, we do naman. All the divine Shaktis, those great Mahashaktis, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, they all come from Radharani. When we worship Radharani, you worship everyone. Ho gaya? Even the Vedas cannot know that Radharani. They are saying we do not know her beginning or end, we can't understand her. तो वो अगम है, लेकिन सुगम भी है. She is agam, impossible to understand, yet at the same time, ati sugam, extremely easy to attain. How? Dinan hit sukumar, by the humble souls. One thing Radharani loves, humility, दीनता. अब राधा रानी के पास जाना तो कोई बल लेके मत जाओ. We are going to Radha Rani, that entity whom Shri Krishna is worshipping. Then don't take any kind of strength to go to her. We have so many strengths in the world. Somebody has money, dhan. Somebody has knowledge. Somebody can sing very nice. Somebody can speak very sweetly. An orator. Somebody is very beautiful, very handsome. Someone has strength. Ye sab chhod do. Give up all these bal. Nirbal hoke. Become powerless. Tinadapi sunichena tarorapi sahishnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sada harihi. Gaurang Mahaprabhu tells us in his Shikshastak, the very first shlok, sabse pehle. It's the first lesson. You want to go to Radha Rani, she's extremely easy to attain. Are ati sugam hai. But how do you go? First thing, one has to be humbler than a blade of grass. Give up all the bal. Forget that I am handsome, I am pretty, I have money, I can sing very sweet, I can speak so sweetly. Give up everything. Nirbal hoke. Like a newborn child. Give up all the powers. Taro rapi sahishnuna. Become more tolerant than a tree, than a fruit-bearing tree. You have to get angry, but you do not get angry. We get angry so easily. As long as we're under Maya, everybody gets angry. Some of us like to think we don't. Some of us can bear anger more than others. We can tolerate. Remain quiet. Inside is burning. I wish I could give him a chopper. But remain quiet. No. You have to be more tolerant on the inside also. Increase. Shri Maharaji used to say, the more you can tolerate, wo sahan ki shakti badhao. The more you can tolerate, the more bhakti you will get. But we can't tolerate. We can't tolerate this person, how they look. We can't tolerate this, how this one speaks. We can't tolerate how that one looks. Hey Bhagwan. All little things. We get angry. And then we want Radha Rani, and we forget Radha Rani is sitting in our heart, looking. वो देख रही है, देखती है. She's looking. How are we going to get Radha Rani? So she's so easy, extremely easy to attain, but of course, Deenan hit. Humility is foremost. प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी. प्रेम
तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी.
विधि निगमागम ते अगम सुगम अति.
निगमागम ते
निगमागम ते अगम सुगम अति
निगमागम ते अगम सुगम अति
ओ दीन नहित सुकुमार श्री राधे रानी
दीननाथ सुकुमार श्री राधे रानी
ओ दीननाथ सुकुमार श्री राधे रानी
दीननाथ सुकुमार श्री राधे रानी
विधि हरिहर की कौन बात जब ब्रह्म न पायो पार। Shri Maharaji Kripalu Mahaprabhu is saying in this line, what powers do Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar possess to know Radharani when Shri Krishna himself, Brahma, Shri Krishna cannot know Radharani? We know there are three governors of the universe. We heard about this in detail many times. I told you the last time, Shri Krishna has a form known as Mahavishnu. Yasyaika niswasita kalamathavalambya jivanti loma bilja jagadandana thaha Vishnur mahansa iha yasya kala vishesho govindamari purusham tamaham bhajami. Brahma Samhita, chapter 5, verse 48, Vedavyas ji is saying, I am a worshipper of that Shri Krishna Govind, whose partial manifestation is known as Mahavishnu. Karanodakshai. I told you last time, Karanodakshai Vishnu. Mahavishnu. From him comes Garbhodakshai. Every Brahman, every solar system has a Vishnu, is known as Garbhodakshai. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Uncountable Brahma, uncountable Vishnu, uncountable Shiva. So they are coming from Shri Krishna. There's one more Vishnu, Kshirodakshai, also known as Paramatma. That Vishnu resides in our heart and takes notes of our thoughts and ideas and rewards or punishes us accordingly. So when Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar cannot know, Bhagwan Shri Krishna, who is Shri Krishna? Kaha paramo devaha, kaha paramo. The more we know about Shri Krishna, then we'll understand a little bit about Radharani. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, second mantra. Kasya jnanena. So first question, who is the supreme power above whom there is none? Second question, who is that one by knowing whom all knowledge is attained? Third question, kuto bhayaha. Who is that one that even death is afraid of? Second mantra. And the Vedas itself gives the answer. Krishno havai paramam daivatam. Third mantra. Gopal Tapani Upanishad. Shri Krishna is a supreme Brahm, supreme power. Above him there is none. Gopi jana vallabha jnanina khilam tad gyatam bhavati. And by knowing that Shri Krishna, the beloved of the gopis, all knowledge is attained. Govindan mrityur vibheti, third mantra. That Shri Krishna is so terrifying that even death is afraid of him. तमीश्वराणां परमं महेश्वरं तम देवतानां परमं च दैवतं पतिं पतीनां परमं परस्ताद् विदामदेवं भुवनेशमीड्यं. Shvetashvatara Upanishad chapter 6 verse 7. The Veda says about Shri Krishna, he is the God of all gods. Tamishwaranam paramam maheshwaram. He is Maheshwaram, Mahaishwar. Of all the devatas, he is the supreme devata. He is the husband of the entire universe, Pati Patinam. He is the supreme soul, supreme Brahm. That's Shri Krishna. Yet, Krishnena aradhyate iti Radha. Rigvedi Radhiko Upanishad. That's Shri Krishna, that supreme soul, supreme Brahm, whom Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar and everyone worships. He also worships someone. He worships Radha. Shri Krishna himself says in the Brahmanda Puran, Radhaiva radhyate maya. Brahmanda Puran, I worship only Radharani. Param dhan Radhe naam adhar. Param dhan Radhe naam adhar. Kotin roop dhare nanda nandan. Kotin roop dhare nanda nandan. Tau na payo par. Tau na payo par. Param dhan Radhe naam adhar. Bhagwan Shri Krishna, supreme Brahm, supreme soul, supreme power, took kotin rupa dhare, uncountable forms. The word koti doesn't mean thousands, uncountable. Uncountable form. Yet he could not know, understand the entity called Radha. When Shri Krishna cannot know who is Brahma, Vishnu, Shiv, forget about Brihaspati, Saraswati. Such is the entity called Radha. Prem Tattva ki sar Shri Radhe Rani. Prem
Tattva ki sar Shri Radhe Rani.
Vidhi Hari Har ki kaun baat jab.
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 O Brahm na payo par Shri Radhe Rani.
Brahmana payo par Shri Radhe Rani.
O Brahmana payo par Shri Radhe Rani. प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी प्रेम
तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी।
अब देखो, सबके कोई कमजोरी होती है, सबका वीकनेस. Everyone has a weakness. Somebody's weakness is money. Somebody's weakness is eating sweet things, rasgulla, ice cream, cake, ice cream. Water starts coming in the mouth. Even here in this world, you don't even see the ice cream. So everyone has a weakness. Radha Rani has a weakness too. What is Radha Rani's weakness? Rona. When someone cries for her. This is Radha Rani's weakness. The moment you cry for Radha Rani, or not just cry because you feel like crying, wo Krandan Karun. Krandan Karun means with a feeling of complete helplessness. Complete helplessness. We have to cry from deep inside that I have no one and nothing, no one in the world but you alone, Radharani. Even a little child in the world, a baby, एक हथियार उसके पास होती है. A child doesn't know to speak anything, doesn't even know who is mommy or who is daddy. But the child knows if I cry, someone is going to pick me up. And a lot of time it's just crocodile tears. Fake. But they know, this crying, mommy hears, this lady here, she's going to run and pick me up. But do not do crocodile tears for Radharani. The mother in the world doesn't know. The father in the world doesn't know, but Radharani knows. She's in our heart. वो बैठी है. She's sitting in our heart and she knows we cannot fool, we cannot deceive Radharani. The moment someone cries, वो भूल जाती है सब कुछ. She forgets herself, she forgets Shri Krishna. She forgets Golok Dham, everything she forgets. And she comes running to that soul. अब ये कैसे होगा? How is this going to happen? When we become humble. The only reason we do not shed tears for Radharani, Abhiman. The moment you sit down and you come in this hall, you come in the prayer hall, or in your home you're doing sadhana, tears should start flowing. Otherwise, no sadhana. आंसू के बिना साधना है ही नहीं. Unless these tears flow. Just doing puja and putting chandan and doing aarti, no. No physical drill. You don't have to do anything. In your heart, in your mind, just think about Radharani, Shri Krishna Maharaji, shed tears. The moment you think, अब मिलन में या वियोग में, whether in union or separation, but we have to shed tears. And this is why humility is so important, deenata. Without that, Tulsidas ji seems to be very angry. He paatahu footahu nayan, ajarahu sutan kehi kaam, द्रवहि श्रवहि पुल कहि नहीं तुलसी सुमिरत राम. We are worshipping Radharani, chanting Radhe Radhe, and the heart doesn't melt with love. To hear Fatahu, that heart should be ripped apart. Tears, Shravahi, tears doesn't flow from the eyes for Radharani. Phutahu nayan, those eyes should be busted. Apulakai, and the paws and the body doesn't raise on ends, goosebump. To Jarahu Sutan, that body should be burnt to ashes. Tarashmasadam hridayam batedam yadgrihyamanir harinam dheyai. We take in God's name, chant in God's name, and tears doesn't flow from the eyes. Nete jalam gataru heshu harshaha. Bhagavad is saying, tears doesn't flow from the eyes, the heart doesn't thrill with joy. That heart must be steel, thunderbolt, so hard. So tears. So this is why Kripalu Mahaprabhu is saying here, Krandan Karun. When she hears that Krandan Karun, not crocodile tears, when she hears that feeling of complete helplessness, Sunavat. When she hears that, to Dhavati, she runs to you, runs to that soul. The moment you shed one tear for her. Prem Tattva ki sar Shri Radhe Rani.
Prem Tattva ki sar Shri Radhe Rani.
Kandan Karun Sunavat Dhavati.
Kandan Karun Sunavat Dhavati.
Oh Kandan Karun Sunavat Dhavati.
Kandan Karuna Sunavat Dhavati.
Oh Nij Sudhi Deh Visar Shri Radhe Rani.
Nij Sudhi Deh Visar Shri Radhe Rani.
Oh Nij Sudhi Deh Visar Shri Radhe Rani.
Nij Sudhi Deh Visar Shri Radhe Rani.
So tears is one. Second thing, Radhe Naam. First thing, we have the very powerful weapon, our tears of helplessness. The second thing, the name Radha, Radhe. This name is so important. Shri Krishna, it was said that when he would sleep, he would go lie on the bed, from every pore of his body, Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. The queens of Shri Krishna and Dwarika, Satyabhama, Rukmini, all these, they thought we are so beautiful. And yet, whenever Shri Krishna is in something will happen or he would yawn, the only name he will, Radhe, all the time. He would never say, Ha Rukmini or Ha Satyabhama. Radhe. Even while he was sleeping, Radhe, Radhe. It's Shri Krishna is chanting Radhe, Radhe. This wo bal hai. Look, when God descends in the world, as Shri Ram Shri Krishna, Radharani, etc., no one benefits. Nobody benefits. Many people think if I were to see Bhagwan, I wish I was there when he descended in the world in Treta Yuga, Shri Ram, Sita, when he came in Dwapar as Shri Krishna, Radharani. We were there. When he came as Gaurang Mahaprabhu, when he came as Kripalu Mahaprabhu. A little while ago. All of us were there. How many of us fell along unconscious with bliss? Jaaki rahi bhavana jaisi, Prabhu murati dekhi tina taisi. Because of the condition of our heart, our mind, how we are on the inside, so we'd be affected. Otherwise, we'll all fall on unconscious with bliss. One glimpse of Kripalu Mahaprabhu, Gaurang Mahaprabhu, Radharani. So we don't benefit. Ek nari tar. When he came as Shri Krishna, he stayed only 125 years. Kripalu Mahaprabhu stayed 91 years. Gaurang Mahaprabhu stayed 48 years. But as Shri Ram, 11,000 years. In the age of Treta Yuga. One person benefited. Ek nari tar, Tulsidas Ji Maharaj is saying, Ahilya. And Kripalu Mahaprabhu says there's a doubt. Because the Ramayana says that she went where her husband, Gautam Muni, was. So if Gautam Rishi was by Bhagwan, he had in the abode of Bhagwan, so she went. But suppose he was somewhere else. Nobody benefits. When they leave, what they leave behind, the divine pastimes, and some saints taken right in the book Ramayana, Bhagavad Mahapuran, etc. We read this, then we benefit. But especially we take the name. Many times you have heard Ram se bara Ram naam hai. That greater than God is the name of God. We have heard this, people sing bhajan, etc. No. There's no greater. It is the same. Naam naam kadi bahudha nija sarva shaktis tartar pita niyamita smarane nakala etadishi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi durdaiva dishamiha janinanuraga. Shikshastak Gaurang Mahaprabhu. Gaurang Mahaprabhu says, Hey Shri Krishna, Hey Radharani, you have so many names. And you are so merciful that you have taken all your powers and put in the name. Aap baithe hai naam. You are sitting in the name. So God in the name is one, not different. None is bigger, none is smaller. Of course, because we don't realize that. We are chanting Radhe Radhe, nothing. The day we realize 100%, that feeling, that realization come in our heart, 100% that Radharani is sitting in the name, Shri Krishna is sitting in the name, one Radhe, and we will see Radharani. We want to attain God realization, that's all it takes. 100% faith. Radharani is sitting in the name. We don't have that faith. Ye durdaiva, this is the misfortune. Durdaiva mi dishamiha. We don't have the faith, that love, that attachment, because we don't have the faith that Radharani. Otherwise, we chant Radhe Radhe. Not like that. So why is it said, so many saints have said that the name is greater than God? Because people take the name and they go to Bhagwan. When Bhagwan comes, nobody benefits. When Bhagwan leaves, so many souls have taken the name. Tulsidas, Surdas, Meera, Tukaram, Nanak, so many saints have taken the name and gone to Bhagwan. Taken hold of the name. This is the reason why the saints and many saints have written that greater than God is the name of God. In fact, they are one and the same. but because so many have been able to go to God just by taking the name. So Radha's name, Radhe naam pukarat Radhe barsavati jaladhar. When someone takes a name Radhe with tears, with that feeling of complete helplessness, Radha Rani starts to cry also for that soul. Ab socho, think. This is a divine law. Ye yatha mam papaddante tans tathaiva bhajamyaham. Chapter 4, verse 11, Gita. We don't have to worry or think about, does Maharaji love me? Does Radharani love me? Does Sri Krishna love me? No. All we have to think, do I love Maharaji? Do I love Radharani? Bas. You have the answer. How much I love, she has to. This is a challenge Sri Krishna is making in the Gita. They have no choice. Have to. वो बिचारी है राधा रानी. Poor thing. She has no. So when a soul is crying, when you're crying for Radha Rani starts crying for you too. The same feeling, the same way. Just think about Radha Rani, that she's my supreme mother, my supreme everything. She'll come running with her arms open to embrace you. प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी. प्रेम
तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी.
राधे नाम पुकारत राधे.
राधे नाम पुकारत राधे.
राधे नाम पुकारत राधे.
राधे नाम पुकारत राधे.
ओ बरसावती जलधार श्री राधे रानी.
बरसावती जलधार श्री राधे रानी.
ओ बरसावती जलधार श्री राधे रानी.
बरसावती जलधार श्री राधे रानी.
When you chant Radhe, not only does Radha Rani come running, Shri Krishna comes running too. Radhe Radhe bol Sham, bhaje chale aayenge. That's such Shri Maharaji's kirtan. Radhe Radhe bol Sham, bhaje chale aayenge. एक बार आ गए तो कभू नहीं जाएंगे. एक बार आ गए तो कभू नहीं जाएंगे. राधे राधे बोल श्याम, भाजे चले आएंगे. When you chant Radhe Radhe, Sham, Shri Krishna comes running. And once he comes, if he comes once, he will never leave again. एक बार आ गए, अब कभू नहीं जाएंगे. Radha Rani comes running, Shri Krishna. What more do you want? Maharaji is already there. What more do you want? अब मोहि कृपालु अब भय काको जब श्री राधे रखवार. In the last line, Kripalu Mahaprabhu says, what do I have to worry and fear in the world? When I have a protectress, one protecting me, my supreme governess, my supreme protector is Radharani. Have that faith. You know, people, Maharaji says, oh, we think, will Radharani come for me? Will Shri Krishna come, Maharaji? Don't think like that. How will they come if you think they will not come? अब पहले ही सोच रहे कि वो नहीं आएंगे. Already we are thinking they will not come too. Why should they come? No, she will come. Have that faith. She didn't come. I finished my sadhana and I opened my eyes. Radharani didn't come. Feel, because I am such a sinner, I have to make the vessel more clean. But she will come. Tomorrow I'm going to try even harder. Always have that faith. Radharani is there. She's sitting in our heart. We just can't visualize her, see her, feel her presences yet. But have the faith. Very soon I will see. And have the faith that Radharani is with me all the time. Don't ever think I am alone. This is a big problem. That feeling that what I am thinking nobody knows. I am alone. That's what makes us do all the wrong things and thinks all the wrong things. Maharaji says I should not have negative thoughts. I should not have enmity in my mind. I should not have think like this. But in the kitchen, Maharaji is not looking at me. In the toilet, Radharani is not looking at me. Really? We have to practice abhyas karna. We have to practice this thing every moment, everywhere. Radharani is with me. She is looking. If I want to get, and I'm thinking these kinds of thoughts. I'm having jealousy. I'm having all these things in my mind. And Radharani is looking. I'm having negative thoughts. Then how will Radharani come? Have the faith. Make that, the more strong you make that feeling that Radharani is with me. And she is my protectress. She does protect. Maharaji protects us. Every moment he's protecting us. But we have to just develop that faith and that feeling. प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी
प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी
मोहि कृपालु अब भय काको जब
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 ओ श्री राधे रखवार श्री राधे रानी
श्री राधे रखवार श्री राधे रानी
ओ श्री राधे रखवार श्री राधे रानी
श्री राधे रखवार श्री राधे रानी
ओ प्रेम तत्व की सार श्री राधे रानी प्रेम
तत्व की अवतार श्री राधे रानी।
बोले रासेश्वरी राधा रानी की
जय।
श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की
जय।
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की
जय।
Let's all stand for आरती। ओ जलाए नहीं। राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे। राधे राधे
राधे जय 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 श्री राधे।
ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
राधे 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 राधे। Those who do Aarti, please go up. Go to the altar.
राधे
ओ राधे 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 ओ राधे राधे राधे
राधे
ओ राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे।
राधा रानी की
जय।
आरती प्रीत गुरु आरती फर्स्ट। जयति जगद गुरु गुरुवर की गाओ मिली आरती रसिक वर की। गाओ गाओ मिली आरती रसिक वर की। गुरु पद नख मणि चंद्रिका प्रकाश जाके उर बसे ताके मोह तम नाश। जाके मात नाथ तब हाथ करे वास। ताते होए माया मोह सब ही निराश। गावे गति मति रति राधावर की। गाओ मिले आरती रसिक वर की। गाओ गाओ मिले आरती रसिक
वर की।
अरे मन मूर्ख चारु नारी नर हाथ। गुरु बिनु ब्रह्म शाम न देंगे साथ। कोमल कृपालु बरे कृपा सिंधु नाथ। पाके इन्हें आज तू अनाथ हो सनाथ। इन्हीं के अधीन कृपा गिरिधर की। गाओ मिले आरती रसिक वर की। गाओ गाओ मिले आरती रसिक वर की। भक्ति योग रस अवतार अभिराम। करे निगमागम समन्वय ललाम। श्यामा श्याम नाम रूप लीला गुण धाम। बांट रहे प्रेम निश्चय काम बिनु दाम। हो रही सफल काया नारी नर की। गाओ मिली आरती रसिक वर की। गाओ गाओ मिली आरती रसिक
वर की।
लली लाल लीला का सलोना सुविलास। छाया दिव्य दृष्टि बिच प्रेम का प्रकाश। वैसा ही विनोद वही मंजू मृदुहास। करे बस बर बस ऊंच अट्टहास,
जय हो
झूमी चले चाल
वही
नटवर की, गाओ मिले आरती रसिक वर की, गाओ गाओ मिले आरती रसिक वर की। जयति जगद गुरु गुरुवर की, गाओ मिले आरती रसिक वर की, गाओ गाओ मिले आरती रसिक
वर की।
आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की, आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। दून सिर कनक मुकुट झलके, दून श्रुति कुंडल भल हलके, दून दृग प्रेम सुधा छलके, रसीले बैन रसीले नैन गसीले सैन, दून में नन मनहारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। दूनी दृग चितवनी परवारी, दूनी लट लट कनी छवि न्यारी, दूनी भाव मटकनी अति प्यारी, रसन मुख पान हसन मुस्कान, दशन दमकान, दूनी बेसर छवि न्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। एक उर पीतांबर पहरे, एक उर नीलांबर लहरे, दून उर लर मोतिन छहरे, कांकनन खनक कींकनी झनक, नूपुर न भनक, दुहुन रुन जुन धुनि प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। एक सिर मोर मुकुट राजे, एक सिर चुनरी छवि छाजे, दून सिर तिरछे भल भ्राजे, संग ब्रज बाल लाडली लाल, बाह गल डाल कृपालु दुहन दृगचारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। आरती प्रीतम प्यारी की बनवारी नथवारी की। मत प्रियान राधिका प्रेयान, मधवो राधिका धव, तस्मादपि गरीयान्यो कृपालुर्मे जगद्गुरु। गुरुं भजति श्रीकृष्णः, श्रीकृष्णं भजते गुरु। सिद्धान्ततस्तु भेदेपि कृपालुर्मे गुरुर्महा। अशरण शरण महाप्रभु, तुम स्वामी हम दास, कीजय कृपा कृपालु मम दीजे गुरु सहवास। तुम दीनन रखवार हम अहंकार अवतार। अस करु कृपा कृपालु अब दीन बनू सरकार। हाँ ऐसो हो पतित जो पतित न आपु ही मान। ऐसे पतित विचित्र को पावन करू तब जान। सब भिखारी जगत के जेतिक नाते दान। दिव्य प्रेम आनंद के तुम एक साहूकार। श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार के, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल के, श्री रासेश्वरी राधा रानी की, प्यारी प्यारी अम्मा की, श्री भक्ति धाम की, श्री राधा माधव धाम की जय। जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री